the Army is starting formal production of a new self-propelled howitzer variant engineered for faster movement, better structural protection, improved drive trainability, new suspension and advanced networking tech, service and industry developers said. The new vehicle is built with a more capable, larger chassis, designed as an initial step toward building a next-generation cannon able to outgun existing Russian weapons. As part of a longer-term plan to leverage the new larger chassis built into the Army's new M109A7 variant, the Army's Armament Research, Development and Engineering Center is beginning work on a new cannon able to hit enemies out to 70 kilometers, senior Army developers said. Right now we have the 39 caliber cannon we have had since the 80s. We are range limited and the Russians can outgun us and shoot farther, Maj General David Bassett, former program executive officer, Ground Combat Systems, said last fall at the service's OSA annual symposium. If you had not replaced the chassis first, you would never be able to put that larger cannon on there. A 70-kilometer target range is, by any estimation, a substantial leap forward for artillery. When GPS-guided precision 155mm artillery rounds, such as Excalibur, burst into land combat about 10 years ago, its strike range was reported at roughly 30 kilometers. A self-propelled howitzer able to hit 70 kilometers puts the weapon on par with some of the Army's advanced land-based rockets, such as its precision-enabled guided multiple launch rocket system which also reaches 70 kilometers. In a modern threat environment, wherein near-peer and smaller-level rivals increasingly possess precision-guided land weapons, longer-range C4ISR technology and drone weapons, increasing range is a ubiquitous emphasis across the Army and other services. Russia's violations of the INF Treaty, new S-500 air defenses, new Armata tanks and fast-growing attack drone fleet, all point to a growing need for the U.S. to outrange and outgun potential adversaries. Furthermore, given the Pentagon's emphasis upon cross-domain warfare, land weapons are increasingly being developed to attack things like enemy ships, aircraft and ground air defenses. Naturally, the idea is to pinpoint and destroy enemy targets while remaining at a safer, more protected distance. Deputy Program Executive Officer for Missiles and Space, Brig General Robert Rash told Warrior the service is making a decided push to upgrade and develop longer-range weapons as a way to address current threats, following more than 15 years of counterinsurgency. For example, senior Pentagon leaders have told Warrior Maven that there is some ongoing deliberation about placing mobile land-based artillery, such as a Paladin, in areas of the South China Sea as a credible deterrent against Chinese ships and aircraft.
Loaded! 3 there, bud! Help me! Deflection, 3249er! 3248! 3248! 3248 there, bud! 422! 422 there, bud! Stretch close! Stay by! Back! ATPD there, bud! Lock it, your board at 10-3 hotel! 3 hotel there, bud! Load it! one. Ready, number one.
Good job.
It's go! It's ready. Ready, number one. Ready, number one. Good?
Number one ready.
Fire!
Go. Number one, fire.
Fire!
It's fire.
It's fire, it's fire.
Try to go one time.
Stand by!
Fire.
Fire!
I'm getting
Number one,
fire.
reprime it.
Number one, fire.
No, I already told you. Reprime it. Listen to me, not the radio.
Roger.
All right. Stand by!
Look up.
Fire!
It's fire.
Try one more time. All right, stop.
Right on, right.
Stand by!
Looked up.
Fire! Yeah, primers. You still going? Yeah. Round. I'm counting correctly. You good? Is that whole bad?
Good job.
About it!